Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you some of the text animation which you can create in Filmora easily, like bounce effect, drop effect and merging title. Before that, Filmora has launched a Filmora achievement program. In Filmora achievement program you can get 30 days free trial of the effects and plugin and much more. Just update your Filmora version to 12.5.5 and keep creating video to achieve the badges. That's simple.
Rewards section to check out all the rewards. You can redeem and review your rewards after unlocking the badges. Join the Filmora achievement program to earn badges to unlock your exciting rewards now.
Now let's start today's video. First, take a snapshot of the text. Then drop the bounce snapshot on the timeline. At start, set scale to something low value like 5 or 6. Then after 7 frames, set scale to 208. Then after 6 frames, set scale to 88. Then after 5 frames, set scale to 119. Then after 5 frames, set scale to 94. And then after 5 frames reset the scale to 100. That's it. Now when you play your clip you will get this nice bounce effect. Very easy and simple to create. Try it out. Now let's see how to create a drop effect. At start, take the text out of the frame and set rotation to 20 degrees. Then after 8 frames, place the text at the bottom of the screen and on rotation keyframe. Then after 5 frames, set text to the middle of the screen and set rotation to 0. Then after 5 frames, set rotation to -9 and set the text position at the bottom of the screen. Then after 5 frames, bring the text slightly upward and set rotation to 0. Then after 5 frames, set the text to the bottom. Then after 4 frames, set text slightly up. Then after 4 frames, set it at the bottom. Then after 3 frames, set it slightly up but lower to the previous position. Repeat it 3 more times after 3 frames. Now when I play it, I will get a nice dropping text animation. As you can see it is very easy to create it in Filmora. Further, you can create merging title in Filmora. Just drop the default title, choose font, then enter your word. Increase the text spacing and align the position to the center. Then go to the animation. Now here you will get an option to create in animation, like how your text should enter, and out animation, how your text going to be disappear. And then loop, how your text going to animate when it is on screen. Choose evaporate preset for in and out animation. Duplicate the default title and change the text. Then check the starting point of first text out animation and place the second text underneath the first text. Simple, you will get merging text animation. That's it for today. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorial. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.